Imagine a time when the pulse of civilization throbbed with the vibrant rhythm of innovation and conflict, a time that shaped the very fabric of medieval China. We stand at the crossroads of history, where the grandeur of the Tang dynasty crumbled, paving the way for a new era. The fall of the Tang in 907 CE was not merely a political shift, it was a cataclysm that sent ripples across the vast expanse of China, plunging it into the chaotic five dynasties and 10 kingdoms period. Picture a landscape fragmented, where short lived states flickered in and out of existence like fireflies in the night, each claiming a piece of the once unified empire. Governance became a Herculean task as leaders grappled with the complexities of ruling over diverse territories, each with its own ambitions and challenges. But amid this turmoil, a phoenix would rise from the ashes. Enter the Song dynasty in 960 CE, a beacon of hope and stability. This era was marked not just by peace, but by an explosion of cultural growth and technological innovation. The introduction of the world's first paper money, known as jiaozi, revolutionized trade and commerce. Imagine merchants exchanging goods with ease, their pockets no longer weighed down by heavy coins. This was just the beginning. The Song dynasty was a crucible of creativity, where printing technology flourished, where gunpowder was harnessed for both celebration and conflict, and where agricultural techniques advanced, producing drought resistant rice that fed the masses. The arts blossomed, with literature and painting reaching new heights, infusing society with a sense of identity and pride. Yet, like a storm on the horizon, threats loomed. The northern invaders, particularly the Jurchen led Jin dynasty, began encroaching on Song territory, forcing a painful transition to the southern Song dynasty. The loss of the north was not merely a territorial defeat, it was a blow to the heart of the Song identity. Meanwhile, the Mongols, under the ambitious leadership of Kublai Khan, were rising, their power growing like a tidal wave ready to crash upon the shores of history. Kublai Khan's military campaigns were marked by strategic brilliance, culminating in the fall of the Song dynasty in 1279 CE. The establishment of the Yuan dynasty was not just a change of rulers, it was a transformation of the very landscape of China. Kublai Khan, now emperor, presided over an empire that would soon become the largest contiguous land empire in history. The Pax Mongolica, a period of relative peace and stability, connected East and West like never before. Goods, ideas, and technologies flowed freely across the vast expanse of the Mongol Empire, with Chinese innovations, including paper money, reaching distant lands. Reflecting on this era, we see transformative changes in governance, economy, and culture. The innovations of the Song dynasty did not fade into obscurity. They laid the groundwork for future developments that would resonate through the ages. The Mongol conquest, while often viewed through a lens of destruction, was a defining moment that reshaped the medieval world, creating connections that would influence global history for centuries to come. As we journey from the fall of the Tang dynasty to the rise of the Mongol Empire, we uncover a narrative rich with lessons. Turmoil can indeed be a catalyst for transformation, guiding societies toward innovation and connection. This is a story worth exploring, a testament to the resilience of civilizations and the enduring impact of their legacies. So let's delve deeper into this fascinating chapter of history, where the threads of conflict and creativity intertwine, weaving a tapestry that continues to influence our world today.